Yes, my people. You know them say the children are the future? Well, it look like say Jamaica not have no future left. There's a trend going on in Jamaica within the schools where a big things are happen to school pitney all of a sudden. As I say, oh there, if I don't want school pitney, gone from among the land of the living. One of them is in hospital in critical condition, nursing injuries, which they sustain from another little pitney, sometime on the school compound or just outside of the school compound. A parents, more than one parents right now. But the most recent one that you can remember, a parent, him little son, was attacked just outside of Irwin High School and turn out is no longer among the land of the living. Right? Okay. Following that, another video which two school pitney have big knife ready to get rid of one another. My people and me I tell you say Jaja know. And what this? And then on top of that, you would have heard the news in Westmoreland, right? Where the little school boy and the little school girl are walk and go home. And two men just ride up on a bike. Can to them body. The little boy is no longer among the land of the living. And the little girl is in hospital nursing bullets. Boom. What could this person have done to deserve that them two little school pitney here? Right? Word in the street is that the 16-year-old boy is associated with some whatever gang down the Westmoreland side there. That's alleged. Words in the street. Right? But anyway, when me have to bring to you right now, my people, is even, you see all of that what me tell you now? That I know nothing yet. That also coupled with this, when me go give you right now. So you have some school pitney. A group of girls looking like they are still on the school compound. Right? Look at their uniform. They're wearing brown and white uniform. People will know what this uniform is. You guys will know. Anybody who know the school, them are going to know the uniform. Yeah. And me people, me are telling you, say, I see a brawl. Me mean like about 10 of them a fight. Me not talk about no little one something where one somebody get in an altercation and somebody a try party. Someday you say nah brawl. The other set the other say nah brawl. This one you get involved. Me see one with piece of board that beat the... What go on now with school then? What really happen? This is a major problem. Whichever school this is, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say upon this. So when you as a parent now take up your pitney and send to school, you have to worry. We can't blame the parents them if you don't want to send them pitney to school. You better if you take your yard and teach your pitney them in your living room or in your kitchen or somewhere, take them out the door and put up 2 pieces of chalkboard and write up on here and teach your pitney. Because the schools are not the safest place to send your child right now. Because something is happening between the kids now in school. I don't know what's going on in Jamaica. But if this continue, Jamaica doesn't have a future. Believe when me tell you that. Make we move on from that, you know. You see on the heel of that? Look at this picture we go show you right now. These are some schoolboys. In the town center there, in a Kingston them there, where numerous amount of high school boys start attack them one another. Big old brawl in the street in a Kingston. And you know how this ended? This ended with one of the boy nursing stab wounds. Because this is how the altercation cool down. And how much you can't post certain things on my channel because I put up the video. Most of them incidents I talk about right now, I would have put the video up. But me can't post them things on my platform. Them who can see them first thing them I want you. It start off in a coaster bus. Whatever I don't know. But coming from this is like, it's a long-standing feud. and things escalate in our coaster bus. Till all people who are going to work have to run out of the coaster bus because them see it get out of hand. Next thing you know, the brawl was in the street, a beating. Be a schoolboy, big stone, bicycle fling, all different kind of something, me people. Trust me, man, it's frightening. It's frightening. Any parents supposed to be afraid right now? Any parents will send them people to go to high school anywhere in Jamaica supposed to be afraid right now. Supposed to. I am afraid because this is not just about boys. The girl them in the same thing too. I joke up them one another with all kind of same thing. I send them to hospital and I pronounce them too. So nobody no escape that one of my people. Remember when me tell you that? Remember when me tell you that? And you see on the heels of that? Them you want you know. Girls we are talking about now again. Right? Them your girls you in a big old altercation in the street. Them one you know I go know them uniform. This is some green and white uniform. I don't even know which school is this. Big old altercation. And it escalates so much that the police was called. And the police take one of the girls them now and put them in the police vehicle to escort them away. By the time the police them go in the vehicle to drive off, here comes another school girl. Attack the girl who is inside of the police vehicle with the window down. She attacked the girl in sight of the police them, in front of the police them, while the police them in the vehicle ready to drive off with that girl. She attacked the girl through the window of the police service vehicle. The police them have to come out now and as you can see now, where this police woman is escorting her as well now. If you go put her in the police vehicle to say, you know, no behavior. You must see a bad woman then, alright, down a station for your little miss. Because of them kind of behavior you not having on the street right now. Right? And at the same time to me, I go blame them dancehall entertainer, them dancehall artists, because them play a part too. Not saying it's your songs that are causing these kids to behave like this, but Uno can help to inject some good music in a society right now, where we deter them little youth from getting them kind of something. Yeah. Because I don't know what, anywhere the help from come from me, I beg you right now. Dancehall artists, the church them, community groups, anybody, me I beg for the help from anyone I know. Anything one can instill in them little youth, because something is terribly wrong in a Jamaica right now among the school youth them. If they are meant to be the future, and they are destroying their future right now, it just simply means that Jamaica don't have no future. Girl, them in an altercation and stab up them one another, lick down them one another. Boy, in a year stab up them one another, lick down them one another. Kids, school people get mixed up in a big people bangarang and problem. That all people are ride up on bike and shoot them on road. How bad can it get? You don't know how much parents are ball right now because them lose them little picnic. And when them lose them, pan school compound or just outside of the school compound. From another little 14, 15, 16-year-old little picnic. Where we are focused on them CXC subject right now. Or I think about which college them are go. Or I think about where them are go venture in the world go do. No. Then they are jailhouse. 10 to 15 years. It wicked me people. Something is terribly wrong in a Jamaica right now. And it's spill right over in the schools them. You hear me I say? You know what next? You don't know what next? You don't see the same knocking and clapping them on us in the streets of Jamaica. At this rate, if it's not contained at this stage, it is going to reach into the schools. I have heard of many cases before where they find school kids in the school with firearm. So it will reach a stage where these firearms inside of the schools will start to squeeze. So me a beg you know, the government need to intervene. The church, the music industry need to intervene. Community groups, Parents, everybody need to intervene before it get to that stage. Because you see, when this tree get bigger hole, it can't bend again. Believe when J Progress tell you that. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. Because of one J Progress Entertainment. Believe.